Hey guys, so today we're going to look at, again, the Google issues that we seem to continually be having with their moving targets on their privacy policies and their guidelines and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to be doing an update to an app. It's been rejected a few times. What we have now done is we need to put the privacy policy apparently on the home screen of the app as well. I've contacted Google and I said, look, Facebook and Uber and none of those other apps have the privacy policy on their home screen, and their response was, don't compare yourself to other apps. If you think those apps are in violation, report them and we'll pull them as well. So I'm not going to argue with Google, the almighty and the all-powerful Google. So I've started putting the privacy policy language right at the bottom of all the home screens on our apps, and that's been getting apps approved. So that, along with the language that we're using, this is the privacy policy on our website. There's some specific language that they asked for in their guidelines, so images and stuff like that. Take a look through this. Where's the app stuff here? So there's stuff regarding specifically for applications, potential applications here. Here it is, user images collected by mobile apps. So this is the language that has been getting things approved. I've gone through their guidelines and their policies and all that kind of stuff. So I've put this together. Take a look at this. You can be welcome to copy it and use it on your sites as well. I'm just going to go through the whole process now. So this app has been rejected. First thing you got to do is come over here to the app content. Data safety, there's one declaration that needs attention. So I'm going to look at this. This takes you through this. Start. Okay. These are, if you haven't done it already, this is something that you'll need to disclose. So hit the next button over here. The apps collect, yes, user data. We collect the username and password, right? And it's now asking for a delete URL. If someone wants to delete their account, then you need to provide a URL where they can go to get to do that. So I'm going to do that now. We'll use that. And then over here, we also, again, it looks like the same question for a second time. So just copy and paste that as well. Leave those blank. Hit next. And then next again, make sure these are all filled out correctly. We've done this already on this app, so I'm not going to go through every single field here, but make sure you've got everything, including photos here added, and contacts. Those are important. So make sure all this is done correctly. There's another video if you need to go through that. You can check that. Hit next, hit save. It's going to ask you if you want to go to publish an overview now. Not now. I'm going to actually submit another release at the same point here. So I'm going to go to my releases overview and create a release dashboard and create a new release. Create that. Upload the build, the AAB file. Let that go. Push pause. Okay, so the bundle has been uploaded, and you can copy some notes from the last release. Hit next and save. Disregard the warnings, and now you can go to overview to submit the app. Now what I've been noticing too is in the publishing overview, what I've noticed when you click this button, send for review, nothing, it's okay, on this one it worked, but I've noticed that I've had to click that button several times for the last few apps that I've done, like keep clicking it and it just keeps saying waiting for review. So now this is in review. Just so you guys have an understanding of what the home screen, what I'm talking about as far as the privacy policy link on the home screen, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So you can see right on this home screen, right at the bottom here, there's the word privacy policy, and this links to the web URL of the privacy policy. Again, try and include the language that we've got on our website, because that seems to be what Google's all up in arms about. So it keeps changing. You know, this is a moving target with Google. I've never seen so many issues over the last few months as I have with Google. Even with Apple 4.2.6 issues, it was never like this. It was always a path to communication and understanding what they wanted as far as compliance. These guys are terrible, and you know, just give you a link with 50 possible issues, and you're supposed to decipher what's wrong and try and figure out. Anyways, it's been getting apps approved. Please take the steps you need to get your apps approved as well. Thanks.